What's up, guys? My name is Mateo, and this is my 1999 Chevy Astro, and today I'm going to show you guys how I shower using just this van. So let's get into it. Oh, by the way, welcome to Winter is Blue. So if you guys have been watching, you know that I'm preparing my van for full-time van life in the summer. So if you saw my last episode, you know that I switched this seat around to make it more comfortable. I have some more plans that I'm going to put into action soon, but I actually just thought this morning that I need to have a reliable way to take a shower, because I'm not always going to be near a Planet Fitness or a gym or anything like that. So if I'm like boondocking somewhere in the middle of nowhere and I'm like feeling ripe, I need to be able to take a shower, because that's so important. So I actually just had this idea this morning. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but we're gonna figure it out together. So thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. If you have not yet, please hit that subscribe button. My data research shows only about 50% of you guys are actually subscribed. So if you could just take 1 second, hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, it would mean the world to me. Thank you very much. So let's get into the shower. Hey, buddy. Hey, what you doing? You all right? You don't gotta run. It's okay. Have a good day, all right? Oh, hey, get back across the street, man. So I have this beautiful big awning that I use for shade, but I think I can use it to turn it into a like gigantic shower. So I'm gonna roll this thing out. I just got back from the store. I got some shower curtains and some shower clips and everything, and we're gonna see if we can make this work. All right, so now pretty much the plan is to just hang the curtain hooks on this. Yeah. And for this part right here, I have some magnetic hooks that I got from Lucky Kaya. So yeah, let's just see if this works. I'm really excited to see if this works, because this will be another game changer for summertime. Also, guys, to stop this from just like blowing away, I have these magnet hooks, and I'm gonna use a couple of them to make sure these things are weighted down and magnetized to the van so that they don't fly away and, you know, show stuff that does not need to be shown while I'm trying to shower. See that? Now it's stuck there. This whole side is ready to go. Now to do this side. Okay, this was a little more tedious than I thought it was gonna be, because the wind was like blowing crazy hard, so I had to put these little things down at the bottom to be like anchors to keep it from blowing so much. But now we can finally get the shower together. And since it's so hot, this is no longer just an experiment video. I really just need to take a shower. So I'm gonna grab some cold water because, yeah, I feel like taking a cold shower. And let's see if the shower works. I'm honestly very proud of this. Like, I'm obviously not gonna use it just like every day. This would be more like if I'm like boondocking in the mountains or the desert or something like that. And I'm not near like anywhere, like no Planet Fitnesses or anything like that. This will definitely be what I do. I gotta change the clothes and we're gonna hop in the shower. So let's go. So this is the water I'm using. I just grabbed the pot from my sister's. In the future, when I do this, I'll have a different container. But for now, using a pot of water. My towel and a change of clothes. All right. So now I'm gonna hook up the shower. This is a shower that I got from my good friend Lucky Kaya in episode, I want to say 32, 33, one of those episodes. Go check it out. You'll see her in the thumbnail. But she gifted me a whole bunch of stuff, including this jacket right here. She also gave me a portable shower, and that's what I'm about to use. So I'm gonna let you guys see me put the shower up. All right, so this thing comes with different attachments. It's got the shower head attachment and the one for like, I guess like washing dishes, stuff like that. Also has a hook and a suction cup. I'm gonna use this right now. Okay. All right, there's a shower, and this is the moment of truth. I should be able to press this button and the shower should start. So let's try it out. Look at that. Oh, it's the perfect temperature too. It's not freezing, but it's not warm. It's like just above like cold. That is awesome. All right, so I think there's nothing else to do but grab my biodegradable soap and take a shower. So, whoops. I was trying to do something and I accidentally called the police just now. And I didn't realize it. I just heard this loud noise off my phone. And then I went to check it. It was ringing and a lady answered. So I had to tell her that I did not need police assistance. And that was a mistake. Hopefully they don't send a cop here anyways, because I'm about to take a shower. And that would not be awesome. So I'm just gonna hope for the best. That was super refreshing. Whew. Okay, so I'm going to put all this up, bring out my chair, kick back, and I'm gonna make some strawberry agua fresca and enjoy the little bit of sunlight we have left before it gets dark. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I just wanted to show you guys my DIY budget shower. Thanks again, Laki, for the shower. It's really dope. And thank you, Luz, for the amazing awning, because I would not be able to make this beautiful shower without that awning. So thank you, Luz. I really appreciate you so much. So yeah. Whoa. You guys. Do not roast me in the comments if this is not how you make agua fresca. I saw it on TikTok. I adapted it to what I had. Whatever. It's delicious. Oh, man. All right. Peace. Oh, baby. Oh, man. You're making me crazy. Really driving me mad. That's alright with me. It's really no fuss, as long as you're next to me. Just the two of us. You're my kind of woman. My, oh my, what a girl. You're my